have the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to bypass a forgotten pin. So let's say you have a pin on your smart band, but you can't seem to remember the pin. You can actually bypass that pin using the Mi Fitness app on your phone. So launch the app, and then it's gonna get synced to your fitness band. Tap on device, and here's your device. Okay, so this is this device. So what you want to do is scroll down to set password, tap on it, and then since you've already set up pin, tap on turn off pin, and then it's going to say after you turn off pin, you will be able to use this feature. Continue anyway, tap on continue, and the pin is gone. So now you can actually get into the watch. All right, so that's basically how to bypass a forgotten pin on your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.